Yes, hello my fellow YouTubers, this is Dr. Dragunov. I usually work on BMW's E38s, but this is my daily driver. It's a Chevy Trailblazer with an inline 6 and the alternator stopped charging. And of course there's no good time for this, right? If it stops charging, it stops charging. So you have two alternatives at least. Buy a new alternator, and where I live they cost around $450, but you can also do this on a budget, right? So what I did, since it stopped charging, this is the culprit, right? So this is an original part for the Delphi. It's something like 300,000 kilometers. And you see there's nothing left of the brushes, right? So that's why it stops charging. So this part can be found. It's $7, and it's really not that hard to change out. You see the two pegs here? They go on the bottom. There's like two holes here in the body where it fits on. And the new one gets delivered with a plastic sleeve in here to keep the brushes retracted until you assemble it on the alternator. So what you do is you take off that one, and that one. You gently lift the regulator up a little bit and up and away. Be careful that you don't snap the connectors here. And then you fit this on. Mine was, I think, the plastic was kind of not, it was a little bit bigger, so you had to do a little bit of shaving, but that's okay though. You do that and you fit it into on the axle here, the generator part here, and this part, and it slides under the the regulator. You just push it in, and you push the two studs in right there under here, and gently you just tap it into place so it sits correctly, and then you swing the regulator back over, and 1, 2, and 3 I torques. Don't over tighten. This is really, you just have to make it, snug. That's basically it. So instead of buying a new alternator for $450, you can do this for $7. And I don't need to show you how to take it off the car, because you have plenty of videos showing you that before. And the cover, let's see if I can get this on. Like this, boom, oops, one hand, and it has like small plastic tabs here. Just lift them and the back cover comes off, no problem. Snap it back into place, and you basically have a new alternator. These never go bad. This is a 150 amps Delphi original. The brushes go out though every now and then, not that often, but it has to be done, right? So do this, and be careful also when you do clean here with some electronic cleaner or something, just to make everything nice, and then you're ready to go. It goes back on the car. Okay, if you like this, if it was any helpful for you, please leave a comment, press like if it helped you any, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.